Hi friends, we meet again. Are you a commerce student? Or do you know someone in the commerce stream who wants to join the software industry? If yes, then the next few minutes has the potential to change your life. Pay attention. Let us look at the outline of this video. First of all, we will be having a reality check. Then we will look at the educational background. Then some requirements such as technical and soft skills. Then the current job situation and a recommendation from experts. Let us have a reality check. The Indian software industry currently provides one of the most lucrative careers on the planet. It employs tech-savvy people from all educational and professional backgrounds. If you want to know more about the future of our IT industry, then check my earlier video. It won't leave any stone unturned. Now let us look at the educational background. Before you get a job in IT sector, there are some educational prerequisites you must satisfy. They are a BCA or MCA degree, which is a Bachelor in Computer Application or Master in Computer Application, a BCom or MCom in Computer Application, or a Diploma in Computers or IT. Let us look at the technical skills. For commerce students, generally you have to master some application to contribute to your company. Nobody will stop you from becoming a web designer or an animator. You may have to work harder if you are a newbie, but nothing's impossible. Let us look at the soft skills. These skills are necessary for daily communication with your team members. As always, you need to be a team player. You need to have effective communication skills. You also need to explain complex financial terms to non-commerce colleagues in an understandable manner. Now we come to a very important part. Let us look at the job situation. If you don't match educational prerequisites, job search may take longer, but you can take some additional courses for these areas in your spare time. You can take courses for Tally ERP software, digital banking and finance, e-commerce operations such as data warehousing, customer care or content management. You can also be a web or a graphic designer. You can take some courses on animation and VFX. You can apply for jobs related to data entry or back office operators. You can also be a computerized accountant. You can also try your hands in digital or Google marketing. If you have heard about SAP or SAP as many call them, there is a special certification which is called as SAP FICO or FICO, which stands for Financial Accounting and Control. This is a very popular certification amongst commerce students who are planning to switch to software industry. I will repeat, it is known as SAP FICO or SAP FICO. Google to find more information. There are also some affordable industry-tailored distant learning courses of recognized universities. Let's come to an important question. Where are the jobs? The answer to that is naturally on job search websites. Your educational background and certifications will determine which company gives you a call. If you are unable to start on your own and you find this difficult, then let us come to the next question. Are there any computer training institutes which can help you in placement? Yes, there are many. The recognized ones are NIIT, CDAC, Aptech. There are also some MSCIT recognized institutes. Seed Infotech, Disha Computer Institute are the popular ones among commerce students. You can connect with a reliable and popular computer training institute in your city. So, we come to our last section and a very important question. What are the recommendations from experts to commerce students? Introspect to find your interests. Keep learning. Stay updated. The sky is the limit. See you soon. Jai Hind.